The Chinese state-owned corporation Dongfeng Motor is preparing to introduce the first model of its new brand, Mengshi, the body-on-frame SUV M Hero 917, which will be available with a choice of hybrid and fully electric powertrains. In total, it features 37 sensors, including lidar and cameras. It comes equipped with autopilot and automated parking features, as well as an integrated dashcam. The vehicle's suspension consists of front and rear double wishbone suspension with adjustable ride height clearance. The car is available in two versions: a hybrid and a purely electric hybrid with a combined power of 800 horsepower. The electric version, however, is more powerful, featuring 4 electric motors, one for each wheel, with a total power output of 1080 horsepower. The rear wheels can turn up to 10 degrees for improved maneuverability. The vehicle is equipped with Brembo ventilated disc brakes on all wheels. Its ground clearance can be lowered to a minimum of 21 cm or raised to a maximum of 33 cm. The interior is upholstered with genuine leather and features natural wood inserts, offering a luxury-level finish comparable to S-Class luxury cars. The front seats are equipped with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The car features a 15-inch main display screen with English language support and a 12-inch screen for the front passenger. Driving modes are controlled through a visually complex setup of 2 levers and buttons on the central tunnel. Among the off-road modes are wade, mud, sand, rocks, and snow. And that's all from me. Subscribe to Grand Garage 65 for more great content ahead.